Gaiam's yoga mats are now available in special sizes and designs, just for kids. Perfect for pint-sized yogis, Gaiam's Yoga for Kids mats feature a variety of fun, bright-colored designs and are shorter than standard mats. Ideal for ages 5 to 8, Gaiam's kids mats are latex and 6P free. And like all Gaiam yoga mats, these kids mats come with a lifetime guarantee. Make the perfect introduction to yoga for your little one with their own perfectly sized kids yoga mat from Gaiam. Need a little extra cushioning? Try a 5mm yoga mat from Gaiam. At 5mm, this mat is almost twice as thick as a standard yoga mat to give you extra cushioning for your elbows and knees. It's got a great tacky feel for non-slip performance and it's latex-free. Available in a variety of solid colors and fashion prints, this mat comes with Gaiam's lifetime guarantee. You also get a free beginning yoga download, just what you need to get you started or keep you motivated at home. For added cushioning and comfort, try Gaiam's 5mm yoga mat.